Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F22 and I'm gonna show you how to reset the network preferences on this device. Let's start by opening the settings. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu and then tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down and tap on the general management option. Here, scroll down, select the reset, and right here we have reset network settings option. Tap on it, then tap on reset settings. If you have some kind of protection on your phone, you need to confirm by entering the PIN, password or pattern, like this, and then finally tap on reset to confirm. As you can see, it says network settings reset. And that's how you reset the network preferences on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.